What if the next generation of skyscrapers wasn't built with steel and concrete, but with a fast-growing grass? Imagine a world where bamboo isn't just a garden plant, but the backbone of carbon-neutral cities and multi-million-dollar enterprises. This is the story of how a humble crop is redefining modern construction, engineering, and sustainable growth. We began by asking, why settle for traditional agriculture, or for timber that takes 40 years to mature? Bamboo grows rapidly, reaching harvest maturity in only 5 years. As climate and resource pressures intensify, the global demand for sustainable infrastructure is surging far faster than conventional hardwood supply can keep up. That's why we made a dramatic pivot from niche livestock farming to revolutionary structural engineering. The transformation starts in our factories, where raw bamboo poles are split and stripped through precise mechanical processes. These fibers are then immersed in cutting-edge resin impregnation, making them resistant to rot, pests, and fire. Next, 3,000-ton hydraulic presses fuse the strands into dense blocks, producing beams with strength comparable to oak and even steel. Every beam is precision-milled and standardized, certified to meet international building codes, ready for primary structural use, not just decoration. Scaling this manufacturing empire requires vision and logistics. We vertically integrated local bamboo plantations with central, high-tech processing hubs. By turning a low-cost, rapidly renewable resource into a premium architectural product, we unlock high margins and huge economic potential. Major government and commercial contracts are now fueling carbon-negative city projects powered by bamboo. Picture a skyline where every tower sequesters carbon instead of emitting it. Decentralized production brings renewable building resources to developing economies, fueling growth without compromise. As we look to the next decade, our mission is clear: replace traditional logging with a regenerative, industrial-scale grass economy. Bamboo timber isn't just a material, it's a revolution, one with the power to transform the construction industry, boost economic opportunity, and usher in an optimistic future for sustainable urban development. The question isn't if bamboo will build our cities, but how soon the world will catch up.